Hi guys, this is KK from Online SEO Tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove temporary files from your desktop, computer or laptop permanently without installing any cleaner software, because most of the time the installed software contains malicious files itself and they messed up badly with your working efficiency. So here we go. I'm on a desktop of my computer laptop and I'm gonna show you how you can do this. Just press Window R and up run command of your window will pop up, and then just enter a command query, which is the sign of percentage, and TEMP stands for temporary, and then again the sign of percentage, and hit enter. A temporary files folder will pop up from your window and you have to select them all and hit shift enter, because you have to remove them completely from your system. If you will press only delete button, these temporary files will remain in your Windows recycle bin and the burden on your efficiency will remain the same. So we must have to delete them completely. Some files may not be deleted because they are already in use, so leave them. These are friendly ones and do not harm anything. Once you go with that process, there is another thing that you have to process. The process is bit same but with the slight changes in the call of action. So first I will select them all and hit shift plus enter. There are 5 items, so these are the friendly files, so I have to skip them and move on. If there are more files here that are not friendly for your system, they will be deleted automatically by this process, because I have run this command before. That's why there are nothing showing here, but when you do in your system, there must be definitely temporary files of your Windows will appear here. So again, go to Windows, run command by pressing Window R button. Here we go again, and do not type the same thing, the thing we typed before, just a pretty different but very effective. Type prefetch, PREFETCH, and hit enter. This special command will fetch the remaining temporary files from your computer or your laptop, select them all again and delete them completely, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you by doing this. Select all by pressing Ctrl A and then delete them all completely by pressing shift plus delete button from your keyboard. There are 203 items and that's pretty much, so we will hit enter, and as you can see, your prefetch folder is empty and your temp folder, the thing which we done before, is also empty, and your system is running like a airplane jet and very smoothly. So this is the finest way so far I can tell you to clear your temporary files without installing or downloading any third-party softwares. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.